like an ordinary snitch, and I don't want you hanging around. Life's best plans go on without a hitch, but I can see the open spaces when I'm closer to the ground. And tonight I'll bring the candles and the silverware and paint, 'cause tonight it's all about Jesus, Padre Pio and the saints. So let's go to the churchyard and we'll give to him offerings and curse his perfect blood. We'll give to him the best of all our criminal intentions to protect us from eruptions or floods. I stand arms folded and stare without a sound, size up the situation to a fault. I know what's kept her protected, feared and found, and as the evening falls we can truly now exalt. And I'll keep the joy inside me and I'll try to find me straight, till I can't help but be lifted by the call of all these saints. So let's go to the churchyard and we'll give to him offerings and curse his perfect blood. We'll give to him the best of all our criminal intentions to protect us from eruptions or floods. It's held up high, his blood run dry, and shout until our sins will melt straight down. Let's go to the churchyard and we'll give to him offerings and curse his perfect blood. We'll give to him the best of all our criminal intentions. So let's go to the churchyard and we'll give to him offerings and we'll give to him the best of all our criminal intentions to protect us from eruptions or